Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed for beauty enthusiasts looking for a more convenient, cost-effective way to achieve salon-like results at home. It's the home-use 0.25mm Beauty Derma Roller Kit. Let's explore how this device performs in the world of at-home skincare. The home-use 0.25mm Beauty Derma Roller Kit offers an intriguing combination of functionality and portability. The device features 5 adjustable gears, allowing you to customize the intensity based on your comfort level. Thanks to the clear LCD display, you can easily monitor your current setting, ensuring that you're always in control of your treatment. Whether you're just beginning your dermarolling journey or you're a seasoned user, the gears can be adjusted to suit your skin's needs. For ease of use, the roller boasts a one-touch operation and weighs only 130 grams, making it lightweight and easy to handle. After charging for just 1.5 hours, you get up to 4 hours of continuous use, perfect for multiple sessions. Now, let's talk about how it performs. When it comes to derma rollers, precision and comfort are key. I found the device to be user-friendly, thanks to its ergonomic design and compact build. The LCD screen provides a quick, easy way to track your settings, so you don't have to guess where you're at in the process. As for the actual rolling experience, it's pretty smooth, and I appreciated the adjustable settings. You can start on the gentler settings, and as your skin gets used to it, you can ramp up the intensity. However, it's important to note that while the device is effective for surface treatments, it may not provide as deep an impact as professional treatments or higher-end models with more robust features. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, the home-use 0.25mm Beauty Derma Roller Kit is incredibly convenient, offering great value in terms of time and money saved compared to frequent salon visits. The adjustable gears, compact design, and long battery life are definitely noteworthy strengths. It's also lightweight, so handling the device feels easy and comfortable. On the downside, while it's great for surface-level treatments, you may find that it doesn't go as deep as some other professional-grade rollers. The 0.25mm needles are great for general skincare, but for those seeking more intense results, you may need to look at higher needle lengths. When it comes to value for money, this product delivers. Given its price point and the features it offers, it's a solid investment for someone looking to maintain a skincare routine without having to break the bank on salon visits. Sure, there are other derma rollers available on the market, but this device strikes a good balance of affordability, ease of use, and performance. However, for those who want more advanced features or deeper treatments, you might consider alternatives with higher needle sizes or additional functionalities. In terms of build quality, the device is quite durable for its price. The materials feel sturdy, and the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip during use. It's light but not flimsy, which is an important factor when choosing a tool that will be in your hands for long periods. I didn't interact with customer support, but the product does come with a 12-month guarantee and 24/7 support, which is reassuring in case any issues arise. The fact that they promise to resolve concerns within 12 hours adds an extra layer of trust in the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. If you're looking for an alternative, there are other rollers with higher needle sizes or more features, but they often come at a higher price. If your goal is more intense treatment, you may want to consider those. However, for general maintenance and at-home use, this product does a great job. To sum up, the home-use 0.25mm Beauty Derma Roller Kit is a reliable, convenient device for those looking to improve their skincare routine without the hassle or expense of salon visits. It's easy to use, compact, and offers decent results for surface-level treatments. However, if you're looking for deep dermal penetration, you may want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a solid choice for beginners and those looking for an affordable way to enhance their skincare regimen at home. Is this review useful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that others can find this video and get the inside scoop on products like these. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with the product, feel free to share them in the comments. You can also find the link to the product below. Until next time, keep glowing and stay beautyistic.